Good morning. I am going to be filming like a little vlog today because we are on the way to NEC. I need to do my makeup, that's why everything's like just jam-packed in the sink. I've got 15 minutes and then we're all heading off. Sam has been there since Wednesday because Damien has been in the show as a grassing driver, and he needed like a +1, and he asked Sam if he wants to go, and Sam was like, yeah, why not? So he's been there since Wednesday. I think it's been a really good experience. I've been getting like really cool videos come back. But yeah, I'm just gonna be like vlogging around. This is my little fit today. I feel really cute. I've got my little cargos on, my little represent jumper, and then a stussy shirt underneath. But yeah, I just look really cute. Just need to do my makeup like I said, and then we're off. I don't really know what I'm gonna be vlogging today, but I'll just go around the show, try and get every just best bit. But I do love this show. Like, I think it said it's about a little bit smaller than usual, but I do love this show. Like, it's just really cool to have like all the motorsports just combined in one area. Like, why would you not want that? But yeah, enjoy. He's cold. Oh yeah, oh look at that. And we're off to go find Sam with our parcels on a mesh.
He's broken.
He's still got arse around his face.
We found Sammy.
Let's make this night.
everyone's little fuel cans. Cute. It's just crazy. Yeah, it does, to be fair. Looks fat. Damn. Oh, I like the even like little things like the tyre stand and stuff. So nice. No. Damn. Yeah, we're in it. That's alright, I'll meet you around.
Cause she got back ass fat like a Dodger, so me have to take this. Yeah, me have to take that, cause I gotta stack up on my bread, fam.
Don't want drama, don't want nada. Wanna with my girl, man, I miss my head, come on.
Yeah, she make me lazy. Fuck these bitches, they driving me crazy.
When me going crazy, head feel kinda hazy. He's my little bro, so I'm got him feeling wavy.
I told bro he's a bando addict. In the kitchen with them bando magic. Yeah, and my lifestyle so tragic. 21 and I'm still out here trapping. I really need to sort that shit out. I don't even ever take the bins out. Roam the streets like I've been wild, but I won't hesitate to knock a bitch
You know that
out.
we don't wanna know you. We don't care fam, you are no one to us. We so we blinded by the future we have. You can't take that. You can't take that shit. Future for us man, yeah, it's looking kinda lit. Maybe in the trenches, all these dirty wenches, but we'll make it out, cause we on that one way transit.
Oh my loving, oh my loving. Come and take that, come and take that. Oh my loving, oh my loving. Come and take it, come and take it.
smoke. Oh, oh, naughty.
See the anti-roll bars working there?
Yeah, it's like ooh, We've been watching it from the other side all day and now we get to watch it from the right side. Right, we've got to find the seat now. It feels weird seeing it from this side.